Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about MidJourney AI, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you create an image in MidJourney? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create an image in MidJourney AI anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're an online creator, or maybe you're a blog writer, you know that coming up with various images or buying images can be expensive. With MidJourney, it's really easy to create an AI unique image. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in the MidJourney website. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my MidJourney account, and this is the home screen. Now, one thing I want to let you know before you go any further is you can create a MidJourney account for free. There's no charge for that. However, if you want to go ahead and start creating images, you do need to have a paid subscription. The paid subscription is going to vary between $8 and $120 per month, depending on how often you're going to be using it. Check my video description for my referral link. So I already have the paid subscription, and here we are in the MidJourney home screen. So if it's your first time using MidJourney, what you can do is you can scroll through and get ideas from various images that other creators have put together. So the more exact the details you give MidJourney, the better the image is going to be returned to you. And to give you an example of that, let's see here. Let's go ahead and click on this motorcycle. Okay, so you can see what the prompt was that was given to MidJourney to create this. So this person put in a pretty simple prompt. It just says racing motorcycle X-ray, and this is what it kicked back. If you're going to be creating an image in MidJourney, I do recommend that you give it more detail than just these 3 words. So for example, let's click on this girl right here. Okay, so this creator right here, they wrote out a pretty long description detailing what this image should be. So they said it should be hyper realistic, which she is. And then from the navel up to the shoulders, it should have a detailed skeletal structure, which it does, resulting from a high resolution X-ray scan. So this is an excellent example of the amount of detail that you're going to give AI. So you want to disclose things like colors, the resolution, the settings, maybe even the feeling. And that way MidJourney is going to give you the image that you're looking for. So definitely go ahead and go through here and look through the description so that we can get a good idea of what you should be giving for directions into MidJourney. So once you're ready to go ahead and create your own image in MidJourney, go ahead and click on create here on the left. Okay, MidJourney has this little tutorial. You can go ahead and watch that, but I'm going to go ahead and click right here and just start giving MidJourney instructions. So let me go ahead and type out something. If you're having trouble coming up with instructions, you can use ChatGPT to come up with a good MidJourney description for you, but let me go ahead and type this in. Okay, so I just imagined this up. So I'm putting here, please give me a hyper realistic image of an island, San Andreas, Colombia, with a few jet skis in the back. In the foreground should be a hyper realistic couple in swimwear. Oops, I misspelled that. Swimwear, playing volleyball with a few local beers in the sand. Please place a JBL speaker near the couple as if they are listening to music. This should be during the day with limited cloud cover, a blue sky day. Please ensure there is a white luxury yacht in the background. Okay, so I think that's a pretty good description. Let's go ahead and see what MidJourney comes back with an image. Okay, it's processing. Okay, 18%. Okay, so here are the images that it kicked back. You can see that it rendered out some jet skis. It has a yacht in all of them, and it has a couple here. So this is where you can be a little bit more specific, but actually it did pretty good. As you can see, it has the speaker there. They have a couple of beers there. So this one, you might look at it and say, well, why is there 2 women? Well, AI determined that this could be a couple. So in the future, this is a good example of being very specific. You can go ahead and specify that as a couple of women or a man and a woman. So we can go ahead and rate this. For me, I kind of like this one. So I'm going to go very strong, and it's going to go ahead and start processing and narrowing down this image that we're putting together on MidJourney. Okay, it's rendering and it's complete. So it gave me a few other options now, as you can see here. Now, if you want to click into the picture, you can see it a little bit more in detail. So let's click on this one. Okay, here is what the image looks like. So let me close this down, and we can narrow this down just a little bit more. So here's the description that we have for the second rendering. So we're going to click on there. And as you can see, there's 2 women there. That doesn't make a difference to me, but just to show you can go ahead and narrow this down. Please make this a man and woman couple. Please enhance the image to be more realistic and similar to a photo. All right, let's go ahead and kick it in. Okay, let's see what it looks like. Okay, now it's complete. So as you can see right here, if we look at the previous version of it, for me, it looks kind of like a cartoon. So we're going to go and close that. And then here is what the newer enhanced version looks like. Still looks like a cartoon, but it looks much more realistic now. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to create an image in MidJourney, that's a brief rundown. If you happen to know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.